Are you still thinking that learning Google AI and cloud skills is expensive or only for advanced professionals? What if I tell you that Google-powered courses with certificates are available for free and you can start today even if you're a beginner? Imagine learning generative AI, large language models, and Google Cloud directly from Google-backed content without paying anything and with a certificate you can add to your resume and LinkedIn. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 free Google courses with certificates available on SkillUp by Simplilearn that can help you understand AI and generative AI easily. Learn how Google Cloud works, build future-ready skills for 2026 and beyond. So let's get started. So the first course on our list is Introduction to Generative AI. If you've ever wondered how AI can write text, create images, or even compose music, then the free Introduction to Generative AI course by SkillUp and Google Cloud is perfect for you. It's beginner-friendly and explains everything in simple terms. No tech background needed. We're entering a time when AI isn't just helping behind the scenes, it's actually creating content on its own. Have you ever used an AI tool and wondered how it thinks and creates something new instead of just copying? This course starts by answering exactly that. You'll learn about popular AI tools, how models like neural networks work, and why AI sometimes surprises us with its answers. Plus, you will get a hands-on with real examples like Palm API so that you can see AI in action and build your confidence. What if you could use AI responsibly and creatively instead of just blindly relying on it? This course covers that too, teaching you ethical AI use, which is super important for today. This course takes about an hour, it is fully self-paced, and you will earn a certificate to proudly share on LinkedIn. So why wait? If you're curious about AI and want to start learning from the ground up, this is your free, beginner-friendly course and it's your perfect first step. Ready to unlock the power of generative AI? Check out the link in the description, enroll now, and let's dive into the future together. Now let's dive into our second course, that is Innovating with Google Cloud Artificial Intelligence. This course is free, beginner-level course powered by Google Cloud on SkillUp by Simplilearn. If you've heard a lot about AI and machine learning but wonder how businesses actually use these technologies, this course is made for you. AI and ML aren't just complex tech terms anymore. They're powerful tools companies use daily to make smarter decisions, predict outcomes, and work more efficiently. This course breaks down these concepts in simple terms and shows how Google Cloud's AI products solve real business problems. Have you ever wondered how companies analyze massive data and make fast, accurate predictions? You'll get those answers here with clear explanations of AI fundamentals and tools like BigQuery, ML, and AutoML. You will also explore Google Cloud's AI services like natural language processing, computer vision, and speech recognition, understanding what they do and why they're game changers for the business. What if you could explain how AI drives business value even without being an AI expert? That's exactly what this course will help you achieve. It's short, flexible, and self-paced, taking just about an hour. Plus, you get a certificate to share on LinkedIn or your resume. The link is in the description. Enroll now and see how AI powers innovation. Now let's dive deep into our third course, that is Digital Transformation with Google Cloud. This is a free beginner-level course with authorized content from Google Cloud available on SkillUp by Simplilearn. You've probably heard about the buzz around digital transformation and wondered, what does it really mean? Or why is everyone talking about moving into cloud? This course breaks it down in simple, practical terms with no prior technology needed. You will discover what digital transformation truly is and how cloud technology powers this shift. Learn why old IT systems don't just cut it anymore and how cloud solutions help businesses become faster, smarter, and more flexible. The course also covers core cloud concepts, different cloud models, and strategies organizations use to meet their needs. Ever wondered what the shared responsibility model means? You will get clear answers on what cloud providers handle and what falls into the business, a must-know for anyone working with cloud. Now imagine confidently explaining how cloud terms transform businesses, even if you're just starting out. This course builds that foundation that sets you up for the future growth in cloud roles. It's just 2 hours, fully self-paced, and comes with a certificate that you can proudly add to your LinkedIn or your resume. So why wait? Jump in now, unlock the secrets of digital transformation, and give your career the boost it deserves. Now let me walk you through our fourth course, which is Introduction to Large Language Models. This is a free, beginner-friendly course powered by Google Cloud, available on SkillUp by Simplilearn. Curious about how tools like ChatGPT and AI assistants actually work behind the scenes? This course gives you a clear, simple introduction to large language models or LLMs, which is the heart of modern AI. If you ever wondered how AI can write emails, answer questions, summarize content, or what makes models like ChatGPT different from traditional AI, then this course breaks it down an easy to follow way. You'll learn what LLMs are, how they are built, and why they're so important today. You will explore key concepts like fine-tuning and hyperparameter tuning explained simply so you won't feel overwhelmed. Imagine being able to confidently explain how AI understands and generates language even if you're just starting out. That's exactly what this course will help you achieve. It takes about 1 hour, is fully self-paced, and you get about 90 days of access. Plus, you will earn a certificate to showcase your skills on LinkedIn or your resume. Ready to dive in? The link's in the description where you can enroll now and take your first step into the fascinating world of modern AI. Last but not least, let's dive into our 5th course, which is on Encoder-Decoder Architecture. This is a free, beginner-friendly course powered by Google Cloud on SkillUp by Simplilearn. If you have ever thought about how AI translates languages, answers questions, or understands text sequences accurately, then this course explains the core architecture that makes it all possible. Encoder-Decoder Architecture is a key building block in NLP and generative AI, where it powers machine translation, text summarization, question answering, and even modern transformers. This course breaks it down step by step without overwhelming you. How does AI take one sequence of a text and convert it into another meaningful one? How does it grasp context before generating an output? You'll learn the roles of encoder and decoder and how data flows between them. You will also learn core concepts like probability distribution, loss functions, and optimization. Plus, you will get a hands-on experience with practical labs that connect theory to real-world applications. It takes about an hour, is fully self-paced with 90 days access, and upon completion, you will get a certificate to showcase your skills on LinkedIn or your resume. If you want to truly understand modern NLP and building a strong AI foundation, this course is your perfect next step. The link is in the description. Enroll now and start building your AI expertise. And there you have it. 5 incredible 100% free courses powered by Google Cloud and SkillUp by Simplilearn that will take you from zero to an AI hero. Whether you're curious about how AI creates art or businesses use AI to innovate or how machines actually think with their language, these courses cover it all. So what are you waiting for? Don't just watch AI and change the world, be a part of it. Hit that like in the description, pick a course that excites you the most, and start learning today. Trust me, your future AI savvy self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more bite-sized tech insights, and drop a comment telling me which course you're starting with. Thank you and keep watching.